Alright, so in this video I'll show you how to recover your USCIS username in 2026. If you forgot your login details and can't access your account, don't worry. This is a simple process, so let's go step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official website of the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Make sure you are on the official page for security reasons. Now click on the Sign In option at the top right corner. This will take you to the login screen. Next, look for the option that says Forgot Username and click on it. This is the first step to recover your account access. Now you will be asked to enter the email address linked to your USCIS account. Make sure it's the same email you used during registration. After that, submit the request. USCIS will send you an email with your username or instructions to recover it. Go to your inbox and check for an email from USCIS. If you don't see it, make sure to check spam or junk folders as well. Open the email and follow the instructions provided. In most cases, your username will be shown directly, or you'll be guided to recover it securely. Once you have your username, go back to the login page and sign in using your username and password. And that's it. Your USCIS username is now recovered and you can access your account again. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple guides like this. I'll see you in the next one.